Alrighty, we are going to take a quick look at the job, how it's going so far. Got a gutter up there on that roof line, 4-inch downspout going into a 7-inch gutter, which is also taking all that roof water. Got another little gutter right there, 4-inch downspout. That 4-inch downspout is going to have a drain extension, brings it out to the yard here. And we're going to take a look back and see how much actual roof we're draining off there, because it is quite a bit. It's probably, by the time it's all said and done, you're probably at a 800. Taking that upper roof line, both of them. That valley, it's taking a good bit of that because it's going to shoot down transition. And then there's a little widow's walk deck outside those doors you can see up there to the right of that upper downspout. So that's all draining into one area. It's coming out by the electric panel down below. This is all an addition on the back. They did a nice job matching it, but poor job planning for the water. So anyway, you got any kind of oddball situations like this that you need solved, give us a call.